Hi there, for today's reading activity, you will be completing a point of view boom cards. Remember, point of view, who tells the story? Someone's point of view is the way he or she sees things happening. So on the slide, you will see a boom cards picture. Go ahead and click on that and it'll get you to the link for boom cards. Here's what today's activity looks like. So you'll click on it. Once you click on that little boom cards image for point of view, you will come to this page, directions. Now the directions are read aloud to you. I just have it muted so I can read the directions to you. Directions. Choose the answer that tells who is telling the story. Once you're ready to begin, you'll press play. And then right here, it will read it to you. I just have it muted. Choose the answer that tells who is telling the story. So there are so many clues in here, so you really need to be paying attention because point of view, you're trying to figure out who is telling the story. You're trying to figure out the point of view, right? So, my babies are hungry. I need to get them some food. I will leave them in the nest while I look for some food. I found a big fat worm and brought it back to the nest. So, here's some clues. My babies are hungry. I will leave them in the nest. I found a big fat worm and brought it back to the nest. So who is telling the story? Do you think it's a bird telling the story, a nest telling the story, or a baby telling the story? I think it's a bird telling the story. Okay, and then it'll take you to the next one. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's reading activity.